Hi and welcome back, my name is Emily. In this video I will be creating one card using Starry Night stencil, and thank you very much stamp from Miss Ink. And you can see here I have a pouch with a lot of rainbow colored cardstock, and I cut them down to strips, and I did this with my trimmer, but I didn't keep them to the same size, if that makes sense. You can see here they are all in different sizes, and I am just adhering them down to a black piece of heavy cardstock from Make Forte here. And I just love how this rainbow turned out on this black dramatic background, and I was really inspired by this project, so I know I will be back soon creating more cards like this with a rainbow on top of this or on top of a black panel. It was super fun to create, so if you haven't tried a rainbow on top of some darker cardstock, I highly recommend it because it's quite addictive. And I also used the stencil here. I did that also in a previous video, and I liked it so much on that card that I wanted to do it again. So I'm using this glitter gel or texture from Gina K, and I'm using a spatula here just to make it go smoothly across our panel, and I'm going across the rainbow and the black paper in the background. So I just wanted a really fun scene here. And I'm cleaning my tools and dipping it into water before I'm going and cleaning them, and you will see it here before I do that, how it looks when I'm peeling the stencil away. And then I spent some time coloring in this Thank You Very Much gnome from that stamp set, and I used some alcohol markers. You can use whatever markers you have in your stash, and I went around all the edges and kept the center part lighter, just to give it a little bit of a highlight there. And I sped this up quite a lot, and you will not see me coloring in any more of this gnome, but I wanted to share with you that I went in with a white gel pen and created even more details to this image. And when I was deciding which colors to use for him, I looked at my background and thought that the position of where he's going to be will fit nicely with the color. So that was my process there. I cut a circle vellum with a die that I have in my stash, and then I popped everything up here, and I used a sentiment from another Miss Ink stamp set, Do What You Love, and then I will adhere everything down to a white A2 size card base here. And that pretty much finished our card off here, and I hope you liked it. If you did, please give this video a thumb up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so yet. And all the products that I used for this video are listed down below. Until next time, have a great day. Bye!